Sable antelope. The sable antelope is a true icon of the African wilderness. Its striking black coat, highlighted by a distinctive white face and long, curved horns, make it instantly recognizable. But their beauty masks a powerful and adaptable nature, essential for surviving in this challenging environment. The males, with their impressive horns, often exceeding 1.5 meters in length, dominate the herd. They are fiercely territorial, defending their females and calves from rivals and predators. Their powerful physique and swift movements are vital for navigating the terrain and escaping predators like lions and hyenas. But it's not just brute force that defines the sable. The sable antelope has a unique relationship with its favored food source, the umbrella thorn tree. These trees, with their distinctive broad canopy, provide vital shade and nourishment during the sweltering days. The umbrella thorn tree is a vital part of the savanna ecosystem, and the sable plays a crucial role in its health. Their grazing helps to maintain its diversity and prevents it from becoming overgrown. But the sable is not alone in its dominion over the savanna. The roan antelope shares a similar habitat and diet. Though they are larger and lighter in color, the two species often coexist peacefully, sharing the grasslands and waterholes. However, the sable faces threats. Habitat loss and poaching have severely impacted their populations. Their beautiful horns have made them a target for trophy hunters, driving some herds to the brink of extinction. Conservation efforts are critical to ensuring the future of the sable antelope. Protecting their habitats and cracking down on poaching are crucial steps in preserving this magnificent species. African wild dog. African wild dogs, or the painted wolf, are easily recognized by their beautiful, mottled fur, which provides excellent camouflage in the grasslands and wooded areas they inhabit. These incredible creatures are pack animals, living and hunting together in a highly coordinated and structured group. When the puppies play, it may seem like mere fun and games, but there is a deeper purpose at work. Through play fighting, each pup is finding its place within the pack, learning crucial social skills, and establishing dominance hierarchies. In the wild, survival is a team effort. The African wild dog's cooperative hunting strategy is a testament to their strong social bonds. By working together, they can bring down prey that would be impossible for a single dog to capture, ensuring the pack's survival. The iconic baobab tree, a silent witness to the lives of these African wild dogs, plays a vital role in their survival. These trees provide essential resources such as water, shade, and food in the form of fruits and seeds. After a long day of hunting and playing, the African wild dogs return to their baobab, seeking refuge under its expansive canopy. The connection between these remarkable creatures and their favored tree runs deep, as both are integral parts of the African savanna ecosystem. Black buck. The black buck, a symbol of grace and resilience, is a unique antelope species found only in the Indian subcontinent. Its striking appearance, with males boasting magnificent, screw-like horns and females sporting a more subtle, delicate charm, has captivated human imagination for centuries. Black buck are highly social animals, living in herds led by dominant males. These herds can range from a few individuals to over 100, depending on the availability of food and water. Their days are spent grazing on the diverse vegetation of the savanna, their keen senses constantly scanning for predators. Survival in the savanna is a constant struggle. Predators like leopards, dholes, and even eagles pose a constant threat, especially to the young and vulnerable. The black buck's exceptional speed and agility, coupled with their vigilance and ability to blend into the landscape, are crucial for their survival. In the harsh and often unpredictable savanna environment, the kedri tree serves as a vital lifeline for the black buck. Its pods provide a crucial source of nutrition, particularly during the dry season when other food sources are scarce. The tree's thorny branches also offer protection from predators, creating a safe haven for the vulnerable young. The kedri tree holds a special place in the hearts and minds of the people who live alongside the black buck. Known as the kalpavriksha or tree of life, it is revered for its multitude of uses, providing sustenance, medicine, and even fuel for local communities. This deep-rooted connection between people and the kedri tree has inadvertently contributed to the protection of black buck habitat. Unfortunately, the black buck, like many other species, has faced severe challenges due to habitat loss, poaching, and human encroachment. Their populations have dwindled, and they are now classified as near threatened. Przewalski's wild horse. This remarkable horse, the last truly wild horse on Earth, is a testament to resilience and survival. But its journey has been fraught with peril, a story of near extinction and a determined fight for its future. Once roaming freely across vast stretches of Central Asia, the Przewalski's wild horse faced a devastating decline in the 20th century. Habitat loss, poaching, and conflict pushed them to the brink of extinction. By the 1960s, they were declared extinct in the wild, surviving only in zoos around the globe. The grasslands, their primary habitat, offer a rich tapestry of life. These hardy creatures rely on a diverse diet, with broadleaf bushes proving a crucial source of sustenance, particularly during harsh winters. In China, a beacon of hope emerged. Conservation efforts, driven by dedicated scientists and organizations, led to the successful reintroduction of Przewalski's horses into their ancestral homelands. The journey of the Przewalski's wild horse is a story of hope and resilience, a reminder that with dedication and collaboration, we can safeguard the future of our planet's unique and precious wildlife. Giant ground sloth. This colossal herbivore was not your average sloth. Monstrous in size, standing as tall as 3.5 meters and weighing over 3,500 kilograms, the giant ground sloth dominated the grasslands, feeding on a variety of vegetation. Among its preferred items were the monkey puzzle trees, a resilient species that thrived in the rugged environments of its time. These trees, with their unique foliage, provided not just sustenance, but a refuge, a vital resource in a rapidly changing ecosystem. The roots of these trees delved deep, establishing a network of life. With access to vital nutrients, they supported not only the trees themselves but a host of creatures like the giant ground sloth. Despite its massive size, giant ground sloth coexisted with various other species in this biodiverse environment. It played a crucial role as both a herbivore and a contributor to its habitation, helping to shape the landscape through its foraging habits. Despite its massive size, giant ground sloth coexisted with various other species in this biodiverse environment. It played a crucial role as both a herbivore and a contributor to its habitation, helping to shape the landscape through its foraging habits. Emerging human populations grew more reliant on the vast resources of the ecosystem, hunting these giants not only for sustenance but for their hides and bones, leading to the plight of the giant ground sloth. Today, the remnants of the giant ground sloth remind us of an ancient time, a time where giants ruled the earth. Their legacy endures, urging us to understand the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Macrauchenia. Macrauchenia is often described as resembling a giant llama or an overgrown tapir, was unlike any creature we see today. It stood approximately 3 meters tall and possessed a long neck and an elongated head, complete with a peculiar, proboscis-like snout. One of Macrauchenia's preferred food sources was the monkey puzzle tree, a unique conifer native to this region. Adapted to consume tough vegetation, Macrauchenia used its height to reach the leaves that other herbivores could not. As the climate fluctuated through the epochs, the grasslands of South America transformed. The Miocene brought fertile plains, while the Pleistocene introduced harsher conditions. Despite this, Macrauchenia continued to thrive, an evolution success story, until the late Quaternary period. However, survival was not guaranteed. The arrival of new predators and competition from emerging species challenged Macrauchenia's dominance in the ecosystem. Changes in vegetation patterns and habitat loss meant that its reliance on specific plant life, such as the monkey puzzle tree, became a vulnerability. These interactions highlight a crucial aspect of Macrauchenia's existence, its role within the ecosystem. It was entwined in a delicate balance of life, affected by predator-prey dynamics and the availability of its preferred dietary items. As the ice ages progressed, the world changed drastically. The once abundant grasslands began to retreat, giving way to denser forests and more extreme climates, contributing to the eventual extinction of Macrauchenia around 10,000 years ago. Mexican gray wolf. The Mexican gray wolf once roamed freely across the southwest United States and Mexico, but now, only a few hundred remain. These majestic creatures are well adapted to the deciduous forest, with their tawny fur blending in seamlessly amongst the trees. Mexican gray wolves are opportunistic feeders, hunting small game such as rabbits and rodents, as well as foraging for fruits and berries. Unfortunately, the Mexican gray wolf's survival is threatened by habitat loss and fragmentation, as well as hunting and trapping. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and reintroduce the Mexican gray wolf, preserving the beauty and biodiversity of the deciduous forest for generations to come. Japanese sorrel. The Japanese sorrel thrives in this environment, a testament to its adaptability and unique evolutionary journey. Its favored food source, the snowbell tree, plays a crucial role in its survival, offering a rich source of sustenance throughout the changing seasons. The Japanese sorrel is a master of its environment. Its powerful legs, perfectly adapted for navigating the steep, rocky terrain of its forested home, allow it to effortlessly scale mountain slopes and traverse treacherous paths. Its short, curved horns, a testament to its lineage, serve both as a defensive weapon and a tool for foraging. But the sorrel's relationship with the deciduous forest is not just about survival, it's about a delicate balance. As primary herbivores, sorrel play a vital role in shaping the forest ecosystem. Their foraging patterns influence plant growth and distribution, contributing to the biodiversity of their environment. The deciduous forest, with its cyclical tapestry of seasons, presents a unique challenge for the sorrel. Winter brings harsh conditions, with heavy snowfall and limited food sources. Adapting to these changes is crucial for their survival. Their thick coats provide insulation, and their ability to thrive on a diverse range of plants ensures their resilience. As human development continues to encroach upon the forests of Asia, the Japanese sorrel faces an uncertain future. The loss of their natural habitat, along with poaching and the threat of road accidents, has placed them under increasing pressure. However, hope remains. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent animals and their habitats. By understanding the sorrel's delicate relationship with the deciduous forest, we can work towards a future where both can thrive. Plateosaurus. Plateosaurus was a bipedal dinosaur that predominantly walked on all fours, was a remarkable adaptation of its time. It was built for both stability and versatility, allowing it to navigate the dense underbrush while reaching for nutrient-rich foliage high above. Among its favorite foods were the leaves of the Glossopteris tree. This ancient plant thrived in the environment that Plateosaurus called home, providing ample sustenance for these massive herbivores. While primarily a quadruped, Plateosaurus was not afraid to rear up on its powerful hind legs. This behavior enabled it to exploit food sources that other herbivores might not have been able to access, giving it a competitive edge in its ecosystem. Plateosaurus was not just a solitary creature. It likely lived in herds, providing safety in numbers against predatory dinosaurs of its era. Group dynamics would have played a crucial role in foraging strategies and defense mechanisms. This ancient dinosaur wasn't just a fascinating creature in its own right, it was an early ancestor of the colossal sauropods that would dominate the Jurassic period. Its evolutionary significance illustrates a pivotal chapter in the history of dinosaurs, marking the transition from smaller, earlier species to the giants of the Mesozoic. As the late Triassic period drew to a close, dramatic shifts in climate and geography would soon challenge the existence of creatures like Plateosaurus. Although it thrived during its time, the world around it would evolve, leading to the eventual rise and dominance of its colossal descendants. Bigfoot. The earliest accounts of this enigmatic being date back to indigenous folklore, passed down through generations of Native American tribes. Stories of a large, hairy creature inhabiting the woods, a powerful guardian of the forest. But it wasn't until the 20th century that Bigfoot truly entered the public consciousness. Decades of searching have yielded intriguing evidence, but no definitive proof of Bigfoot's existence. Footprints far larger than any known human or animal, strange vocalizations recorded on audio devices, blurry sightings captured on camera. These tantalizing hints fuel the enduring belief that Bigfoot is real. Our investigation takes us deep into the heart of Bigfoot's alleged habitat, the coniferous forests of North America. These dense, ancient woodlands provide ideal cover for a creature seeking refuge from the outside world. The evidence suggests something extraordinary. But is it enough to conclusively prove Bigfoot's existence? The question remains, is Bigfoot a creature of myth, a product of folklore and misidentification? Or is there a creature, a species unknown to science, still roaming the depths of our forests? The whispers in the pines continue, reminding us that even in a world of scientific inquiry, there are still mysteries to be unraveled. The mystery of Bigfoot, a creature that continues to capture our imaginations, reminding us that the natural world holds wonders yet unknown. Gallimimus. Though it bore the name chicken mimic, the Gallimimus was no ordinary bird. With an elongated body and powerful legs, it could sprint across the landscape, escaping predators with astonishing agility. With legs built for speed, Gallimimus could reach incredible velocities. It was a social creature, often seen in small herds, using pack dynamics to locate food and evade danger. The Norfolk Island pine was a preferred item in the Gallimimus diet. Their needle-like leaves provided nourishment, while the trees themselves offered shelter from predators. Gallimimus showcases a fascinating transitional stage between traditional dinosaurs and modern birds. Its lightweight build and hollow bones allowed for a swift escape when faced with threats like the formidable Tyrannosaurus rex. The calls of the Gallimimus echo through the forest, drawing attention to their gregarious nature. Their vocalizations, reminiscent of modern-day birds, played a crucial role in communication. Not only did they rely on speed for survival, but social interactions within their herds facilitated grooming and attraction, fostering relationships essential for their survival in a treacherous world. Across the oceans, Gallimimus had American cousins, the Struthiomimus and Ornithomimus. These closely related species also embodied the adaptations to life as fast-moving, omnivorous dinosaurs. As the sun sets on the age of dinosaurs, the Gallimimus leaves behind a legacy of agility and adaptation, a fleeting glimpse into a time when the rule of the dinosaurs was at its height. Bongo. The bongo is a creature of solitude, preferring the quiet depths of the forest to the open plains. Its existence is a delicate balance, a constant dance between survival and the challenges of its environment. The bongo's diet is largely based on the abundance found within the rainforest. The elephant ear tree, with its large, nutritious leaves, proves a vital food source. This towering plant, a mainstay of the forest, plays a crucial role in the bongo's survival. While often solitary, bongos are social animals. They live in small herds, led by a dominant male. These herds are crucial for survival, offering protection against predators and sharing knowledge about the best foraging spots. The bongo species is further divided into two distinct subspecies, the lowland bongo and the mountain bongo. The lowland bongo, inhabiting the lower altitudes of the rainforest, boasts a deeper mahogany coat. While the mountain bongo, found in higher elevations, has a slightly lighter, reddish-brown coat. Their unique adaptations allow them to thrive in their respective environments. The rainforest is a vibrant and dangerous place. Predators such as leopards and pythons are a constant threat. Bongos rely on their keen senses of hearing and smell to detect danger and their incredible agility to navigate the treacherous landscape. Unfortunately, the bongo faces increasing threats from habitat loss due to human activities. Deforestation for agriculture and logging has drastically reduced their available habitat. Poaching for their hides and meat further exacerbates their precarious situation. Recognizing the urgent need for conservation, efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures. Researchers are studying their behavior and ecology to inform effective conservation strategies. Wildlife organizations and local communities are working together to combat poaching and promote sustainable practices. Asian elephant. These magnificent creatures have roamed these jungles for millennia, their presence shaping the landscape and influencing the lives of countless other species. Their days are a tapestry of foraging, socializing, and navigating the intricate web of the rainforest. The Asian elephant, though a single species, boasts a fascinating diversity across its range. From the majestic Sri Lankan elephant, with its unique large ears, to the smaller, more agile Sumatran elephant, each subspecies possesses traits tailored to its specific environment. We also find the Indian elephant, known for its intelligence and strong family bonds, and the even rarer Borneo elephant, whose population faces increasing threats. The Asian elephant's relationship with the rainforest is profoundly symbiotic. Their foraging habits, while seemingly simple, create pathways through the dense vegetation, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor and fostering new growth. This constant interaction maintains the intricate balance of the rainforest, nurturing biodiversity and supporting a myriad of other life forms. Their favorite treat, the foxtail palm, provides sustenance and helps maintain their health. Its fruit and leaves are a vital part of their diet, and the elephants in turn play a role in dispersing its seeds, contributing to its continued presence within the rainforest. However, this harmonious relationship is increasingly under threat. The rapid expansion of human settlements and the relentless demand for resources are shrinking the elephant's natural habitat. Deforestation for agriculture, logging, and infrastructure development are squeezing the elephants into fragmented pockets, disrupting their traditional migration routes and leading to conflicts with humans. The future of the Asian elephant, like the fate of the rainforests they call home, is uncertain. The loss of habitat, fragmentation of populations, and the ever-present threat of poaching are pushing these majestic creatures closer to the brink. But hope remains. Conservation efforts are being spearheaded by dedicated individuals and organizations that are striving to protect these gentle giants and their fragile ecosystem. By understanding the vital role the elephants play in this intricate web of life, we can work together to ensure that their iconic presence continues to grace the lush landscapes of Southeast Asia for generations to come. Orangutan. Often called the red ape, both male and female orangutans sport this vibrant coat. But the males, as they mature, develop a striking feature, a magnificent beard that adds to their already imposing stature. Observe the orangutan's physique. Its arms, impossibly long, extend far beyond its legs. And when it stands on the ground, a truly unique sight unfolds, all four limbs touch the earth simultaneously. But it's in the trees, where the sunbeams dance through the foliage, that the orangutan truly comes alive. This is its domain, its kingdom. Their incredibly adaptable feet, with toes almost resembling thumbs, grant them an unparalleled grip. They can effortlessly grasp branches and even hang upside down, using only their feet. This arboreal lifestyle offers both security and sustenance. The durian tree, a source of rich, energy-filled fruit, is a favored treat. While on the ground, predators might lurk, high amongst the branches, they find safety and abundance. From feeding on a diverse range of fruits and nuts to raising their young, the orangutans' lives are intertwined with the rainforest. Even their sleep takes place amidst the canopy. Each night, they construct a new nest, seeking refuge in a different part of the jungle. The orangutan, a symbol of the rainforest's intricate ecosystem, faces mounting challenges in this ever-changing world. Their home, their forest, is shrinking. Javan rhinoceros. The Javan rhino's preferred habitat is the lush, humid rainforest. These sprawling ecosystems, teeming with life, provide everything this solitary creature needs to survive. They favor areas with thick vegetation, muddy wallows for cooling and protection from insects, and, most importantly, a plentiful supply of their favorite food, the leaves, shoots, and fruits of the giant ficus trees. Unlike their larger, more sociable cousins, the Indian rhino and the Sumatran rhino, the Javan rhino is a creature of solitude. Males and females only interact for breeding purposes. This solitary lifestyle, combined with their elusive nature, makes them incredibly challenging to study and monitor. The Javan rhino's story is one of resilience and vulnerability. They have endured natural disasters, volcanic eruptions, and the devastating effects of human encroachment. Yet, despite these challenges, they persist, a symbol of hope in a world that often feels devoid of it. Komodo dragon. Growing up to 10 feet long and weighing over 300 pounds, the Komodo dragon is the largest living lizard on Earth. Its sheer size and imposing presence have earned it a reputation as a fearsome predator. But the Komodo dragon's power lies not just in its formidable physique. Its bite is venomous, a cocktail of toxins that can incapacitate prey and aid in swift digestion. For centuries, the Komodo dragon has haunted the islands of Indonesia, a living testament to the raw power of nature. Its habitat, the rainforest, provides a rich tapestry of life, but also presents its own unique challenges. The mangrove tree, a vital part of the coastal rainforest ecosystem, plays a crucial role in the Komodo dragon's survival. Its intricate root system provides shelter, offering camouflage and refuge from predators and the harsh elements. The mangroves also provide a rich source of food. The diverse array of animals that inhabit this environment, from crabs and fish to wild pigs and deer, become prey for the Komodo dragon. But the Komodo dragon's dominance is not without challenges. Habitat loss due to human encroachment and climate change are persistent threats to their existence. Understanding the Komodo dragon and its intricate relationship with the rainforest is crucial for safeguarding its future. Its unique adaptations and its role as a keystone predator highlight the delicate balance of this fascinating ecosystem. Malayan tapir. The Malayan tapir is the largest land mammal in Southeast Asia, and its preference for the giant ficus tree, a keystone species in the rainforest, highlights its vital role in maintaining biodiversity. The ficus tree, with its vast canopy and prolific fruit production, provides a vital food source for the tapir. In turn, the tapir's foraging habits help disperse seeds, ensuring the regeneration of these magnificent trees, which shelter countless other species. The tapir's life revolves around the rainforest's resources. They spend much of their day wallowing in mud, a behavior that helps regulate their body temperature and protect them from insects. Their powerful bodies and prehensile snouts allow them to navigate the dense undergrowth with ease, foraging for a variety of plants, fruits, and leaves. The Malayan tapir is a keystone species, meaning its presence has a significant impact on the health and biodiversity of the rainforest. Their foraging behavior creates gaps in the vegetation, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor, promoting growth and encouraging the development of a diverse understory. This benefits countless other species, from insects and reptiles to birds and primates. The Malayan tapir belongs to a family of mammals known as tapirs, which are found in various parts of the world. While its South American relatives share similar characteristics and ecological roles, the Malayan tapir is unique in its restricted habitat and striking black and white markings. However, the future of the Malayan tapir, and the rainforest it inhabits, is under threat. Deforestation for palm oil plantations, logging, and human encroachment are rapidly shrinking their natural habitat. The tapirs face increasing conflicts with humans, and poaching for their meat and hides remains a threat. Recognizing the critical role the Malayan tapir plays in the rainforest ecosystem, conservation efforts are underway to protect this species and its habitat. Researchers are monitoring tapir populations, anti-poaching patrols are in place, and reforestation projects are helping to restore degraded areas. Asian black bear. This magnificent creature, a symbol of strength and resilience, has adapted to the harsh conditions of the highland biome, its life intricately woven into the fabric of this ancient ecosystem. The Asian black bear, a subspecies encompassing the Formosan black bear, Balochistan black bear, and Himalayan black bear, is a creature of great adaptability. It thrives in a variety of habitats within the mountain ranges, from lush bamboo forests to rocky alpine meadows. But one element stands out as particularly vital to their survival: the Himalayan pine tree. These towering conifers provide shelter, food, and a sense of security for the bears. The pine nuts, rich in nutrients, are a crucial part of their diet, especially during the lean winter months. The trees also offer refuge from predators and the elements, providing a haven for cubs and mothers. The Asian black bear's social structure is relatively solitary, with mothers caring for their cubs for several years. This close bond is essential, ensuring the cubs learn the vital skills needed to survive in this challenging environment. However, the Asian black bear faces increasing threats in the face of human encroachment. Habitat loss due to logging and agriculture, as well as poaching for their bile and body parts, has led to a significant decline in their population. Llama. The llama is a member of the camelid family, a group of animals that includes camels, alpacas, and guanacos. But unlike its relatives, the dromedary and Bactrian camels of the desert, the llama boasts no humps. These gentle giants come in a variety of colors and patterns, each adding to their unique charm. Their soft, luxurious coats are a testament to their evolutionary adaptation to the harsh Andean climates. The llama's coat is a valuable resource for humans. Its wool, soft and warm, is prized for its quality and durability. For centuries, Andean communities have relied on llamas for their fiber, using it to create textiles that are both beautiful and practical. But the llama's usefulness extends far beyond its fleece. These incredibly strong and resilient animals have long been used as pack animals, capable of carrying heavy loads over long distances across challenging terrain. Their sure-footedness and stamina make them ideal companions for traversing the treacherous mountain paths. The llama's diet consists mainly of grasses, shrubs, and leaves. Among its favorite treats is the western juniper tree, found scattered throughout the high-altitude plains. Llamas are social animals, living in herds led by a dominant male. Their social structure is vital for their survival in the harsh environment. Their family bonds are strong, especially between mothers and their young. The llama shares a close ancestral relationship with other South American camelids, including the guanaco, its wild ancestor, and the Suri and Wakai alpacas. These animals, while similar in appearance, each possess unique traits and characteristics. Mountain lion. The mountain lion, a solitary hunter, thrives in diverse environments, from the dense forests of the Pacific Northwest to the arid scrublands of the Southwest. Its adaptability is a key to its survival in this vast and challenging landscape. Built for power and speed, the mountain lion is a master predator. Its muscular body, coupled with retractable claws and an incredibly powerful bite, allows it to take down prey significantly larger than itself. Deer, elk, and even bighorn sheep fall victim to its swift and silent strikes. As an apex predator, the mountain lion plays a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of its ecosystem. It regulates prey populations, preventing overgrazing and ensuring biodiversity. While the mountain lion is a single species, its genetic diversity has given rise to a number of distinct subspecies across its vast range. From the southern South American puma to the Florida panther, each subspecies has adapted to the specific ecological conditions of its habitat. The sagebush, for example, plays an important role in the lives of many mountain lion populations, offering a source of scent marking and shelter. Despite their adaptability and resilience, mountain lions face increasing threats in the 21st century. Habitat loss due to human development, illegal hunting, and conflicts with humans are pushing some populations to the brink. Protecting the future of the mountain lion requires a multifaceted approach. Conservation efforts focused on habitat preservation, educating the public about the importance of these magnificent creatures, and promoting responsible coexistence between humans and wildlife are crucial for their survival. Magnet. Within this stark beauty, creatures have adapted in extraordinary ways, developing unique strategies to thrive in the face of extreme cold. This is a realm where the power of nature is ever present, shaping the lives of all who call it home. But even in this unforgiving environment, stories of individual resilience emerge. One such story begins with a small, furry cub, born amidst the icy plains, who would become known as Magnet. Magnet was born around 1988, arrived at the Baltimore Zoo, now known as the Maryland Zoo in Baltimore, when he was just 3 years old. He earned his name due to his endearing habit, a constant, almost magnetic, attachment to his mother's side. Magnet's personality blossomed in his new environment. He developed a particular fondness for his red ball, a simple toy that brought him hours of playful entertainment. At the Baltimore Zoo, Magnet found a safe haven, a life free from the constant struggle for survival that defined his species in the wild. He became a symbol of the Arctic, a reminder of the beauty and fragility of this distant, icy world. As the years passed, Magnet continued to captivate visitors with his playful antics and gentle nature. But like all living beings, he faced the inevitable challenges of time. Despite the best efforts of his caretakers, Magnet's health began to decline. He was diagnosed with liver disease. On April 28, 2015, the beloved polar bear, Magnet, was humanely euthanized. His passing marked the end of an era at the Baltimore Zoo. Magnet's story, though tragically ending, stands as a testament to the resilience and beauty of the polar bear. His life, lived both within the confines of a zoo and in the hearts of those who loved him, reminds us of the crucial role these magnificent creatures play in the Arctic ecosystem. Reindeer. Reindeer are perfectly adapted to this harsh world. Their wide hooves act like snowshoes, allowing them to traverse the deep snow with ease. Their thick coats provide insulation against the biting winds and freezing temperatures. And their remarkable ability to locate food, even under several feet of snow, ensures their survival. Reindeer are social creatures, living in herds governed by a complex hierarchy. They migrate vast distances in search of food, following ancient routes passed down through generations. Their journeys are a testament to their incredible endurance and adaptability. For centuries, indigenous peoples of the Arctic, like the Sami of Scandinavia, have relied on reindeer for their very survival. Reindeer provide food, clothing, and transportation. They are an integral part of the cultural fabric of these communities, a symbol of their deep connection to the land. The reindeer's life cycle is intrinsically linked to the seasons. They shed their thick winter coats in the spring, revealing lighter, summer fur. And as the harsh Arctic winter approaches, they grow a new, thick coat to protect them from the elements. But the reindeer's story doesn't end there. Across the globe, a special connection has developed between reindeer and the holiday season. Legend has it that these magnificent creatures are vital to a certain jolly, red-suited figure during Christmas time. While the science of Santa's sleigh remains debatable, the reindeer's role in human culture is undeniable. Their unique characteristics, their resilience, and their significance to Arctic communities have captured our imagination. Reindeer, just like cows, can be milked. And from their milk, cheese can be made. This fascinating fact has led some to ponder, could these creatures have an even more extraordinary origin? Could reindeer, perhaps, have come from the moon? Yeti. The Yeti, also known as the abominable snowman, has captivated the imagination of explorers, scientists, and locals alike. Its existence remains a fiercely debated topic, a puzzle piece missing from the grand tapestry of life on Earth. Is it just folklore, a product of human imagination and a need to explain the unknown? Or is there a kernel of truth hidden within these ancient tales? The Arctic tundra is a challenging environment, home to a variety of hardy species adapted to survive the extreme cold. But the area where Yeti sightings are most frequent is concentrated within the mountainous regions. These areas, with their deep snowdrifts and treacherous cliffs, are ideal for a creature seeking solitude and refuge. The team carefully collects samples, analyzing DNA, fur, and scat in hopes of unraveling the mystery. The evidence, while circumstantial, is starting to paint a picture. Could these glimpses, these fragments of DNA, finally be revealing the truth about the Yeti? Loch Ness Monster. Known for its serene beauty, this freshwater lake is home to a creature that has captivated imaginations for centuries. Today, we explore the legend of the Loch Ness Monster, affectionately known as Nessie. Stretching over 23 miles, Loch Ness is the largest body of freshwater in the British Isles by volume. Its depths are cloaked in secrecy, giving rise to tales of a creature unlike any other, a species yet to be classified, lurking beneath the surface. Nessie has been described in many ways, but the most common sightings depict a large, serpentine creature with a long neck and humps emerging from the water. While many theories exist about what Nessie could be, no definitive evidence has been found to classify it as a known species. Some speculate that Nessie could be a surviving plesiosaur, an ancient marine reptile thought to have gone extinct millions of years ago. Others believe it could be a giant eel or perhaps a misidentified animal. The legend of the Loch Ness Monster dates back to 565 AD with the first recorded sighting by St. Columba. Over the centuries, stories of eerie sightings surged, culminating in the famous photograph known as the Surgeon's Photo in 1934, which tantalized the world. Every year, people flocked to Loch Ness, hoping to catch a glimpse of the elusive creature. Whether they believe in Nessie or not, the excitement and mystery draw them in. The idea that something unknown resides here adds to the loch's allure. While some dismiss Nessie as a hoax, scientists and enthusiasts continue to explore Loch Ness's depths, scanning the waters with sonar, conducting environmental DNA tests, and searching for the mythical beast. In recent years, advancements in technology have made it easier to search for elusive creatures. With the combination of sonar mapping and environmental DNA sampling, researchers aim to uncover the truth behind this legendary monster once and for all. One can't help but wonder, if Nessie exists, what does she cherish in her underwater realm? Perhaps the tranquil beauty of water lilies that grace the surface, serene and perfect, just like the mythical monster of Loch Ness itself. Whether legend or reality, the Loch Ness Monster continues to stir the imagination of all who visit this enchanting place. The tales of Nessie remind us that sometimes, the most extraordinary truths lie hidden in the depths of the unknown. Great Barracuda. With their elongated bodies and razor-sharp teeth, great barracudas are designed for speed and efficiency. Reaching lengths of up to 6 feet, they are one of the ocean's most efficient hunters. These fish are equipped with stunning dentition, their fangs are adapted for grasping slippery prey. But what do they feast upon? Great barracudas are opportunistic feeders, often stalking schools of smaller fish. Their preferred hunting grounds? Cozy nooks of seagrass beds, where ambush tactics come into play. Employing bursts of incredible speed, a single barracuda can close the distance in mere seconds. Fishing with precision, their acute vision helps them track the faintest of movements beneath the waves. Although they play a vital role in their ecosystem, great barracudas are misunderstood creatures, often feared by those who encounter them. Yet, they possess an elegance that captivates all who witness their underwater prowess. Residing in coral reefs and near rocky coastlines, great barracudas thrive in warm waters, ranging across the globe from the Caribbean to the South Pacific. Here, they lend balance to the ecosystem, keeping populations of smaller fish in check. But as ocean environments face threats from human activity, including overfishing and habitat destruction, these majestic predators face uncertainties in their future. We need to protect the habitats that maintain the balance of our oceans. The great barracuda is just one piece of a larger puzzle, but its decline could signal larger problems within our marine ecosystems. Whale shark. Measuring up to 40 feet in length and weighing as much as 20 tons, the whale shark holds the title of the largest fish in the ocean. Despite their colossal size, these gentle giants are filter feeders, thriving on a diet consisting mainly of zooplankton, small fish, and sea grass. Found in tropical and subtropical waters across the globe, whale sharks are often encountered near coastal areas rich in sea grass and plankton, their primary food source. These majestic creatures are known to aggregate in groups, an extraordinary phenomenon that highlights their social behavior. While they are solitary by nature, sightings of multiple whale sharks feeding together hint at a complex social structure, possibly driven by food availability. Reproduction in whale sharks remains a mystery, but it is known that they are ovoviviparous. After gestating in their mother's womb, the young hatch internally and are born live, a rarity among fish. Juvenile whale sharks often inhabit shallower waters, providing them safety and plenty of food, as they begin their journey into the open ocean. Sadly, despite their iconic status, whale sharks face numerous threats. Overfishing, habitat loss, and the repercussions of climate change are driving this majestic creature toward the brink of extinction. Conservation efforts are underway worldwide. Organizations are tirelessly working to protect their habitats and create awareness about these magnificent creatures. The whale shark is not just a marvel of nature, it represents the delicate balance of our marine ecosystems. By protecting their environment, we safeguard a legacy of beauty and ensure that future generations can continue to witness the grace of these giants in our oceans. Common sawfish. With a body shaped like a torpedo and a serrated snout that resembles a saw, the common sawfish is a marvel of evolutionary design, crafted for life in the aquatic realms. With its elongated rostrum, this extraordinary fish employs its saw-like snout to uncover hidden prey, including its preferred delicacy, the stovepipe sponge. The stovepipe sponge, a vital component of the marine ecosystem, provides shelter for countless organisms and serves as a unique food source for the common sawfish. Together, they create a delicate balance within this underwater world. The common sawfish is an integral part of its ecosystem. It not only controls prey populations but also contributes to the health of the coral reefs by stimulating growth with its feeding habits. Yet, the common sawfish is part of a larger family of sawfish, each species uniquely adapted to their environment. The large-toothed sawfish, with its formidable size, and the elusive dwarf sawfish, scarce and seldom seen, each plays a role in the intricate web of marine life. Despite their size and power, survival is no easy task. Habitat destruction, climate change, and overfishing threaten the delicate balance they depend on. We must protect these magnificent creatures and their habitats. Conservation efforts are crucial for the survival of the common sawfish and the health of our oceans. Together, we can work towards restoring their populations. Bowhead whale. These magnificent creatures are among the largest mammals on Earth, with adults measuring up to 60 feet in length and weighing upwards of 100 tons. Renowned for their immense bow-shaped heads, bowhead whales are uniquely adapted to thrive in one of the planet's harshest environments. The bowhead's head is approximately one-third of its total body length and is equipped with over 200 baleen plates, which are essential for its feeding strategy. Unlike other whales that undertake lengthy migrations in pursuit of food, the bowhead remains within the icy confines of the Arctic. It consumes vast amounts of zooplankton, utilizing its baleen to filter its preferred food, clam beds lining the ocean floor. Bowheads are highly adapted to their cold habitat. Beneath the surface, clam beds serve as a vital source of nourishment, crucial for the survival of these marine giants. Their behavior is fascinating, bowheads often engage in ice rubbing, a practice that helps them shed parasites, maintain healthy skin, and interact socially. Despite their remarkable adaptations, bowhead whales face threats from climate change and human activity. The loss of sea ice threatens their habitat, while increased shipping and industrial development pose potential risks to their population. Conservation efforts are critical for the bowhead population. Continuous monitoring and protection of their natural habitat are essential to ensure they persevere in the changing Arctic. The bowhead whale holds deep cultural significance for indigenous Arctic populations, symbolizing resilience amidst the unforgiving wilderness. For us, the bowhead whale represents survival and respect for the ocean. We are intertwined with these magnificent creatures and honor their spirit. As we delve deeper into understanding and protecting the bowhead whale, we also strengthen our bond with the Arctic ecosystem. Through global efforts and local commitment, there is hope for the survival of this iconic species. The fate of the bowhead is intertwined with our responsibility to safeguard the fragile Arctic environment. Atlantic swordfish. A remarkable species that has captivated the imaginations of fishermen and marine biologists alike. With its elongated body, sharp bill, and incredible speed, it reigns supreme in its oceanic domain. The swordfish's unique anatomy is not just for show. Its long, flattened bill is a specialized tool, designed for hunting and self-defense. With this formidable weapon, it can strike swiftly at prey, primarily targeting smaller fish. Among its favored meals are the nimble lanternfish, mackerel, and the vibrant red gorgonian, a type of soft coral that offers both shelter and sustenance. The red gorgonian, with its vibrant hues and delicate branches, offers a sanctuary for countless marine species. For the Atlantic swordfish, it serves as a key element in its survival, providing both hunting grounds and breeding sites. With a streamlined form that can reach speeds of 60 miles per hour, the swordfish is a fierce competitor in the ocean. Yet, it is not alone in its pursuits. In these same waters, it shares its home with other titans of the sea, like the Indo-Pacific sailfish and the Atlantic blue marlin. These agile fish are worthy adversaries, each employing their unique hunting strategies in the race for survival. Each species must adapt, evolving over time to combat changes in their environment and in response to each other. But the ocean is a fickle mistress, and rising temperatures and fishing pressures can alter the delicate balance of life in the sea. Commercial fishing poses a significant threat not just to the swordfish but to the entire ecosystem. As demand for these magnificent fish rises, the Atlantic swordfish faces a grim challenge to survive amidst human activity. Conservation efforts are underway, led by dedicated marine biologists who seek to learn more about these enigmatic creatures. Through research and tagging initiatives, they strive to ensure the future of the Atlantic swordfish and its kin. As we delve into their world, we uncover not only the wonders of the Atlantic swordfish but the urgent need to protect our oceans. Each swift motion through those crystal-clear depths tells a story of survival and resilience, one that we must strive to safeguard.